By now we are quite familiar with the passive voice. You may recall that when actions are expressed in a passive voice, the sentence is essentially reversed. The dog chews the bone will become the bone is chewed by the dog. In this construction, the direct object of the original sentence in active voice becomes the subject of the passive one, and by doing that, it suffers the action, meaning it is affected by it or receives it. Consequently, the original subject turns into what is known as the personal agent. Agent is a word that literally means the one who does, and it derives from the present participle of the Latin verb ago agere, meaning to do. The agent in Latin is always a person, a personified noun, like fortuna, meaning good fortune, or some other animated thing, perhaps sometimes an animal. It is translated into English with the prepositional phrase by, while Latin will use the prepositions a, ab, followed by the ablative case. A will be used in front of consonants, while ab will be used in front of vowels or the letter H. Let's see some examples. Urbs ab ostibus delebitur. Liber a tacito scribitur. Laudatur ab is, culpatur ab illis. When the action is performed by something inanimate, in Latin the preposition is lost. Multi morbis necabantur. Animalia fulminibus tonitruque terrentur. The ablative of agent is completely different from the ablative of means, or instrumental ablative, because means describe the things by means of which something takes place. Caesar cultro necatur. Let's see some more of these ablatives of agent in action. Res confirmatur ab exploratoribus. Nostri a duce et a fortuna deserebantur. Omnes colles ab exercitu tenebantur. Multis arboribus hic locus opacatur. Homines rationem habent a natura datam. Non tempestate vexor, sed nausea. Let's check comprehension.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Support me on Patreon so I can keep making content. And as always, feel free to email me, ProfessorDaveExplains@gmail.com.